Hello, and welcome back to our lessons on Microsoft PowerPoint. In these lessons, we're going to be talking about working with Smartart. So what I want to first do is create a blank slide, insert a blank slide. So let's go insert a new slide, and then I want to do one that has a content, title content. When you click on it, when you insert a slide that says title and content, you have these options. Whereas you can insert a table or charts or different things that you can insert just by clicking here on this in this box. What we want to do is we want to insert a Smartart. So once you click on the Smartart, then you have the options of these graphics. When you first open the box, you have a list of all, and these are all the options that you have in which you want to create your Smartart with. Then over to the side, you have it listed over here where you can go click in the list or a cycle or hierarchy or different things what we can do in which we want to do our Smartart. I want to do the one that says pictures. So in pictures, and then I want to select, we select this one. Then click OK. Now, we select pictures now in here, which is normal of all Smartart that you can add text into the art. So what I want to do is I want to add text. E-L-D-E-R. I want to do that one. Then over here I want to do, and then I want to add one more over here. And now the cool feature about this one is I can go right here to where it says insert a picture. I can click on picture and I can insert a picture. But before I go to insert a picture, I want to bring our attention over here to where it's up here where it says the layouts. In your layouts, you can click and select different layouts in which you want to do your Smartart, just in case that one you didn't really want. For now, we're going to stick with what we have. And then over in our styles, you see where we can change styles to different styles of how we want to create our Smartart. But please allow me to put pictures in first. So you click inside the circle here on this one because we picked a picture layout. I want to insert a picture from a file. And then I want to insert my pictures. Then click this insert from a file on the computer. Insert a picture. And this last picture. Now, what's good about this one is because we've done pictures, we don't necessarily have to resize it. But if there was a need to resize pictures to make them fit in the circle, then of course you can grab your resizing handles around what would be your object and change the size of the picture so that it fits. But these fit perfectly. And let's give us a title. Let's go on EXECU. Let's call it Executive Board. This will help us spell it correctly. Okay, Executive Board, just for a title. Now, as mentioned before, we can go to Smartart Design. Now, Smartart Design, we can select different arts if we want to choose a different style of how we want our Smartart. And right now, I'm content with the style that we have. Over here where it says change colors, you can also change the colors of if you see I hover over, we can change it to different colors, and depending on what it is that you want to do. These colors are primary colors for your theme. So whatever theme you selected, that would be your first option. Then you have different options to where you can change different colors. Or you can click here, and then you can recolor your Smartart, which we don't want to recolor. Let's go back and keep it where it was. Now, over here in your Smartart layouts, if you want, you can change also over here to the different layouts that you want for your Smartart. And I want to try. Let's go with. I want that one. Let's do this one. And now I want to put in here, because we have the option to put in text, I want to put in founder. I want founder. Co-founder, and it's the last one. Now, I can do founder, co-founder, board member. This just gives you some more options to do with your Smartart. Now, if you notice here, we can still make changes to our let's go with this one. I like this one. So now this is basically what we have with this Smartart. Now, if you notice in this box over here, our box, we have this arrow that points to the left. This left-facing arrow affords us an opportunity, allows us to change text. It's just basically a text box. I can change text in this box right here, which will change the text over here. Let's put it here, me. I like this one too. Let's go P. Notice that it changes the text. This is easy, especially if you have like a lot of art and text. But for this one right here, for now, this is kind of simpler. But please note that you can change your text over here also. You also have the option to where if you want, you can move the box up or down. To whereas I want to click down, so now I just change that order. That's if there's a need to move order. I want to keep where it is. And then you can move the things left and right. So these are just different things that you can do within your text art. Now, if we look over to our far right, there's a couple of other features that we may be able to do with Smartart. The revert your graphics back to where it was previously. Your convert basically puts your Smartart back into text. And so as you convert to text, or we convert to different shapes. And you go to different shapes, and then you go to shape format. And now you can see where you can just different shapes in your format. We don't want to convert, we want to stay where we are. Now what I want to, in your shape format, you have your word art style, so you can change some of your word art if you desire to change your word art to kind of enhance your presentation a little bit better. Now, once you revert back to shape format, then you have the option of your design ideas. Then when you click your design ideas, which we discussed in earlier modules, now you have more options in which to create your presentation. So this is what I have right now for working with Smartart. I ask you to continue to stay with us as we continue moving forward into our next module. Until then, God bless you.